I like playing in the sandbox.
What do you do in a sandbox?
I take my monster trucks, and my dump trucks, and I make roads, and I even took my train from Thomas.
Boo Boo, do you play by yourself?
No, I play with Harley and Lincoln, those are my dogs. And sometimes my mama comes and sits in the sandbox with me. She likes how sand makes her feet cold.
Well, can I come to your sandbox?
Sure, you're my friend. You can come any time.
Thanks, I will go home and get my monster truck.
You have monster trucks. Wow, that's cool.
Okay, I'll see you later.